Turn, please, to Ephesians chapter 3. In Ephesians chapter 3, look at verse 1. He said, "For this cause, I, Paul, the prisoner of Jesus Christ, for you Gentiles, if you have heard of the dispensation of the grace of God, which is given me to youward," and on and on. Now, once more, we hit a snag here with some people. You see, there is a teacher here in Pensacola, Florida, that's put out a bulletin, and in this bulletin, he calls such men as I hyper-dispensationalists, and names that I can't quote here, and tries to make people's minds evil against us. And so he says the dispensation of the grace of God is the issuing out of grace. Like going to a Coca-Cola machine, putting your money in the machine, and it dispenses Cokes unto you. Or go to the water fountain, mash the button, it'll dispense water unto you, and on and on. And the idea is to make it appear as if it had nothing to do with time, but that won't work, you see, because the Bible always is designed to make those people that reject passages hang themselves, because there's always another passage that is just waiting there to grab you.